Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you are fine and safe. Fourth class children, science. Open your textbooks. Page number 30. Lesson number 15. Ways of communication. Let us learn about different ways of communication. How different ways of communication work. The benefits and problems of ways of communication. Making my own ways to communicate. Okay, children, think, how do we know what is happening in the neighboring states and countries? If scientists have discovered a new planet or if it is going to rain today, how do people get to know about it? Remembering. Look at the pictures below. Do you know what these are? What are they used for? You have to write this, children. Okay, next, page number 31. Communication occurs when we pass information from one place to another. To do this, we use newspaper, TV, radio, internet, and so on. These are ways to share information. Communication can be between a few people or many people. Communication with many people. Let us play a game. Make one chit with the name of your favorite cartoon. Pass it on to a friend sitting away from you without getting up from your place. Did your friend sitting farthest from you get the chit? Communication can be in the written form, audio form, and video form. Think of one example of a way of communication in. You have to write this, children. The written form, audio form, video form. This one example you have to write here. Communicating with fewer people. Can you tell what is happening in the picture? Sometimes we do not want to give or pass some information to everyone. We want to give it to only one person or a few people. How do we do that? To communicate to few people, we use some other ways, for example, letters, telephone, emails, and so on. Okay, children. Page number 32, children. Understanding. We have seen different ways of communicate. Now let us see how some of them work. Written form, letters, postcards, and emails. Let us see how the letters are sent and received. The person who wants to write a letter may use a postcard, an inland letter, or a separate paper with an envelope. People need to write the address to the person to whom the letter is to be sent. They must paste a stamp next to the address. Then they put the letter in a nearby post box. From the post box, it is carried to the nearby post office. At the post office, the letters are sorted as per the address on them. Do you know what happens next? We can also send packets or boxes nowadays. Many courier services also do the same type of job. Page number 33, children. Can you name some courier services near your home? These days, we mostly send letters through the net as emails. They reach within seconds. Audio form, mobile phones. Did you ever make paper boats? How do they go from one place to another? Imagine you throw a small rock in a pool. What happens? It causes waves or ripples to go out in all directions. Radio waves are like water waves. Our mobile phones send out radio waves just like the small rock sends out water waves. The radio waves go in all directions until they hit a mobile phone tower. The tower will then send a radio wave to the person you want to talk to. Application. Imagine the world without telephones, televisions, and computers. We use them every day. They make our lives simpler, but they make sometimes lead to problems. Let us see the benefits and problems of communication in detail. Benefits. They help us to stay in touch with our family and friends. We can learn new things from the internet using Google, Yahoo, Wikipad, and so on. We can use them in studies. Use of internet has now become the easiest and fastest way to communicate. Do you know about Facebook and WhatsApp? How do they help us? Problems. We should also use the communication media carefully. Spending lots of time on the mobile phones, computers, or TVs may cause health problems. For example, the bright screens of these may harm our eyes. Earphones that we use may be harmful to ears. Page number 34, children. Spending more time playing with video games or using phones, laptops, and so on rather than playing outdoors is bad. We do not get enough exercise. This affects our growth and health. Amazing facts. Do you know the email addresses have a symbol as a, this is the symbol, children, as a part of them? This symbol was first used in 1971. This helped the message to travel from one phone, laptop, or computer to another. Do you know an email ID? Write it below. If not, then create an email ID for yourself. Write it above. Most often, people use their names in their email IDs, but you may write anything as your email ID. Higher order thinking skills. Did you know in olden times people used drums and smoke signals to communicate? Then they learned to write. Written messages were sent using birds like horse riders, runners, or birds like pigeons. People in olden times also communicated through pictographs, cave paintings, and so on. People made their own ways to communicate. Look at the picture given here. What are the kids doing? Discuss with your friends. If you have to make your own way of communication, what will it be?